In this video, I will show you how to use the Bybit 20 USDT coupon. So to do this, just go to Bybit and from the home screen you want to click Rewards Hub. Now here at the top you can see 3 rewards to claim from me. So if you're going to click on Claim Now, from here you will see all of your 20 USDT coupons. I have 3 of them right here. And what you can do is just click Claim, and then you can see that it has been claimed. Now if I click Use, you will now see that it is in my assets, and if I go to my history right here, you can now see airdrop bonus USDT 20. So that's basically how you can claim it. Now if you have multiple, you can just claim all of them right here, and that is how you can use the Bybit 20 USDT coupon. Now I can start using this to, for example, convert into Bitcoin. So you can see USDT, I can now click max and then just convert it into Bitcoin if I want. So now you know how to use the Bybit 20 USDT coupon. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.